to fish at Tozai.
Nisai.
Last year, November 16th.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
How much sumi came out?
Such deep, dark sumi now.
Beautiful. That's amazing. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new episode on the channel. It is officially day number 2, and today we are going to do a harvest, and a special one because a lot of Brian's fish is in that mud pond, right, Brian?
No, all
All of the fish are in
Yeah,
it?
all of them.
So we can do whatever we want with them.
Yeah, we don't like it, we can throw it over the bank. If we like it, we can keep it.
We're gonna pack our stuff, make sure we go to the mud pond and get you some amazing footage of some beautiful 3-year-old big koi. Okay, Ryan, so this is your personal mud pond.
Well, they're not dead, so that's a good start. So last year we bought 30 Nisai. We azukari'd them here at Dainichi, and we did like a grow out kind of for a lot of our customers that were coming to Japan. Some people that just wanted to buy some Nisai, have them as Sansai. So this is a pond that Dainichi had for us. 2 actually fish got shipped home. A customer wanted to see how he would grow them compared to how Dainichi grew them, and I think he has a few here as well. We're gonna get the net in the pond and harvest 28 pieces and see how they come out. Right now I just saw a couple showa, a kahaku there, so I'm really excited to see how everything is.
Is every single piece sold already, or
I think there's a few pieces available.
shall we put them at the end of the video for sale?
Yeah, let's do it for sure.
Oh, that's cool. So guys, you have a good reason now to keep watching this video because there are some pieces that might be for sale for good prices. So that's
Unless they're my pets and they're not for sale.
Dainichi Koi Farm, starting with the net. Konnichiwa. It's a beautiful day. AJ is staying here for almost 4 weeks now. AJ, this is how many days of sun did you had this season?
I've been here like 25 days, maybe 6 days of sun.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, so today I'm enjoying it. Beautiful day. Great day for a harvest.
Exactly. We got Cooper here, the snake guy.
What's up, guys?
He scared Marahiro this week. Tell us about it.
Yeah, we found a poisonous and venomous Asiatic keelback snake and caught it, and I got yelled at for touching a poisonous snake, but it was fun.
But you're a pro handler.
I am. Don't do that at home.
And then we have Brian's customer over here, who we traveled with all week. You have 1 or 2 fishes in here?
I think I have 5.
Sorry? 5? That is amazing.
Hello.
Hello. Are you excited today?
Yeah.
Long drive to this mud pond. Very long drive.
No.
No. Oh,
30 minutes.
30 minutes. Yeah, for me that's a long drive. And beside Fitz Fish Funds, we have the people from Oase over, which is pretty cool. We have Chris from the UK, we have Taka from Japan, and Uwe from the headquarters in Germany. His first time in Japan, and today his first harvest.
That's right.
How big do you think? How big? Size in it?
Yeah. Maybe.
60 7、60
あるかな。これってさ、3歳だよね。60
Up.
up.
Okay guys, so they're even wearing my backpacks over here. So if you're interested, I'll put a link in the description to my shop. You can order them. These are backpacks actually for your kids, or even wear it yourself. The breeders do it here in Japan. So yeah, and if you're living in the United States, we have shipped a bunch of them to Fitz Fish Ponds. Time to get the net in.
And then not like have a workshop, like think this is it.
Just write it down.
Yeah. Yeah.
When do we get involved and when do they?
Better a bird than a snake.
Snake?
No, maybe. No. So many staff. One harvest, so many staff.
7?
Oh, 7. Nana.
No.
Good. Slowly getting the fish in, or the net in, and also the fish. So these are Sansai, 3 years old. When then there's 2 years old, looking forward to see the growth results. It's pretty late in the season. It's the November 4th at the moment, so which means that they have some extra weeks of growth compared to the other breeders that already harvested their Sanzai.
How did you think that?
Okay, slowly closing in. And this is the tricky part. This is where they have to be careful in the middle. So this person over here, because if he pulls them too quickly, the fish could escape underneath the net. So. Wow, look at that sumi on the showas. Very good. Beautiful. That's gorgeous. First, look at that coming. Beautiful. So first fish are coming out now. Very, very pretty. There we go.
Looking as I drop one, they're already mine.
That's true.
You're faster than me. Front. 1, 2. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Oh, nice.
Maybe.
Wow, professional.
Oh, wow.
They're good.
Wow, so nice.
The drone sound on my video is also very nice. So pretty amazing because the sumi came up. A lot of them. Look at the bodies on those. Unbelievable. Look at that. Here we go. Wow. That's pretty cool. Nice ones.
I don't know which one is mine. I have a few.
We'll see back at the koi house. I love that one. But we'll take a closer look later.
There's this bowl, but these are not small.
Oh, they're very big actually. They look really good. Very good results. Very nice. What should I take a?
It's all about ego.
Okay.
Ryan, is it okay for you if I lift a couple out? Down there, no problem. Okay. Beautiful. One more time. Oh, they're getting dizzy. Yeah, Evo! Alright.
Nice.
Okay, I'm done. Hey, Meta, stop recording. Oh no. Don't worry, I didn't stop recording. They'll be good.
So I'm wet, guys. I tried a couple of fish. They were more slippery this year than other years. Brian, they were more slippery this year than all the other years.
Yeah, they're a little slippery. I do the rough job up here in the truck. Oh, look at this one.
Yeah, this is a beautiful cockle.
Loki, it's yours. No, this is not.
No, that's not mine.
Wow.
Another one.
Gorgeous.
Oh, it's got no beni at the back. You'll buy that.
Nope, there's one speck. Nope, there's one.
It's an Evo fish.
Wow, beautiful.
Very Benny, but it's okay. Can fix it.
Just Pinocchio now.
Pinocchio, show off. Another beautiful show off. Look at that.
Wow. Holy shit. Big bag. Big bag.
Pattern from Haku. Oh, sorry. Look at this one.
Holy smokes. It's okay. It's alright. Yeah. Put that one back.
Yeah.
Somewhere you're growing.
Wow, the bodies are really good. So these are Sunzai, 3 years old.
Mark Koi, right here. Mark McKinney knows that pattern.
That's Loki's.
Oh, look at this Showa. Look at this Showa. My favorite already. Wow. Who owns that?
Which one?
Take the video.
Oh, this one and this one. The one below.
Look at
That one's phenomenal.
Yeah.
Yeah. I have to see you on
That's
that
really good. And the body is good as well, that one.
Look at that speck of Benny back there. It really balances the whole thing out.
Dude, the sumi came up on that one so much. Nobody owns it. Look, Evo, look at the one, that one from last year.
Oh, that's the one I bought.
Look, no sumi last year.
Yeah. Let me see on the
Amazing.
camera, by the way.
Yeah, I'll show you.
Amazing, amazing.
Can you lift it up a little with your hands so we can show it to the people? So this was the fish at Tozai,
Nisai,
Nisai.
last year, November
Oh,
16th.
wow. Look at that.
Look how much sumi came up.
Such deep, dark sumi now.
Beautiful. That's amazing. Not sure if we can really see it good on camera. Yeah, there we go. Big difference. Some really, really nice fish in here. Yeah, great. So we can put it in the longer video. All right, that's it. Let's go and check the koi. Back in the bowl at the greenhouse.
Yeah, so these koi went in the mud pond between 55 and 65 cm. So it's going to be pretty exciting to see how big they get. Some of them look huge.
Yeah. Yeah, there were some really nice ones in there. Congrats.
All right. Just for the camera, who's better koi handler, me or Evo?
What?
What?
Inches on mine and then.
Well, luckily you have no subscribers, so nobody's watching it.
No.
First fish back in the blue bowls here at the new koi house of Benichi Koi Park. A very beautiful Showa. Nice one. 6. How big? 72? For a Sonzai, and this is one of the best fish from. It's the good Kohaku, right?
Yeah, 2-step Kohaku, really, really nice. Big body, super thick. That was
Favorite?
super high class.
Look at the coopering on the skin. It's so shiny. You can see it over here. Really, really great fish. Nice pattern. You see the pigment very good in the beni. Very nice. Look at the Showa, the size.
What size is that one?
Beautiful.
162.
So 71 for the Showa. Nanaichi. I'm gonna call this one Batman. Look at the mask he has. Or Raven. He has a Raven glasses or it's Batman, one of the two.
I like Batman.
Batman is cool, look at that. Beautiful. 71 cm.
Yours or his?
His.
Oh,
Mine is 71.
Dude, it's not bad. It's not bad. Dude, it's not a bad fish.
That's yours?
Yeah. Dude, the bending quality.
So you're satisfied?
Yeah, you know, it grew, I don't know, it grew. So it's good.
Oh, I just took a picture. I'll tell you.
It grew 10 centimeters.
10. Okay.
0 to 70.
No, it is part of this. This one has it as well. Look.
Fairly though, compared to the other
Yeah.
ones, yeah.
Alright everyone, I know it was a kind of a short video. They're quite busy still with uploading koi. They still have to figure out which koi was for sale and which one not. I will put a link in the comments to Brian's video, Brian's Instagram when or their website if they're figured out which koi are for sale, and if you're interested in some of these beautiful Sanzai Dainichi koi. They're building a new koi house behind us. They're really expanding all the breeders, which means it is going good with the industry. And if we want to grow the industry and get more people to koi ponds and into koi, this is pretty cool. So more space means more koi for everyone.